KIX Country 92.9. Now, I want to take just a moment to chat with Lisa Ferrentino. Perhaps you've heard that name dropped over the past few days. Lisa was the Healthcare Hero Competition winner and has won an amazing prize, a complete bathroom makeover from SandStar Remodeling and Renovation. And I thought it'd be kind of fun if we could chat with her for a minute or two, find out her backstory, the incredible twist in her current story, and where things are headed as far as this bathroom remodel. So please help me welcome Lisa Ferrentino at KIX Country 92.9. Lisa, first of all, welcome. And second of all, any way I can persuade you to stop calling me sir?
I'm a military brat, so that's going to be hard.
I understand. I just never been called that before. But anyway, thank you for making a little bit of time. I understand from what I've learned anyway, you've got a very busy schedule, so thank you.
No, thank you. I didn't even know this was happening, by the way.
Somebody else nominated you, apparently.
I know.
Do you know who did it?
No, sir.
That's great. That's even better. I like that.
I was actually homesick with the COVID.
Isn't that amazing? We told the story the other day about how after all of everything you went through helping the public through this, you got it yourself. I mean, I'm sorry that you did, but you seem to be doing okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
How was your recovery from it?
I will tell you, it's literally 100 times worse than any of the flu.
Is it?
Pandemics. Oh, yes, sir. 100 times worse.
Oh, my goodness. But
it truly is. I can see why my patients, unfortunately, are dying.
Oh, gosh. You saw a lot of that in the ER, did you?
I actually don't work in the ER, sir. I'm actually the charge nurse of the COVID unit on ICU.
Oh, okay. So you saw a lot of it in that actual unit then, I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And that's one of the reasons why somebody felt you were deserving of this award and nominated you, because they knew that you were on the front line. And must have been working some incredibly long hours. You must have seen a lot of heartbreaking cases.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Bless your heart. And then when it came right down to it, and we began to find out a little bit more about you, you have quite an interesting backstory. Do I understand you've got 5 kids?
Yes, sir, I do, sir.
5? That's
2 girls and 3 boys.
That's a lot on any plate to be a full-time nurse, and you're also going back to school.
Yes, sir.
Working on a master's, huh?
Yes, sir. As a matter of fact, I am, for my nurse practitioner.
On top of that, if I understand correctly, now you stop me if I'm saying something wrong here because I'm getting things third hand, but your husband recently had surgery?
Major surgery, yes, sir. Recently, yes, sir. He had his spleen taken out.
Okay.
He had a double hernia repair.
Okay.
He also had his pancreatic head, unfortunately, had a lot of adhesions on it. Mm-hmm. So they had to take that away. And his diaphragm, they had to shave off sections and do some lysis of adhesions from the diaphragm. Yes, sir.
Wow.
Very sad. That
is very, very intensive stuff. And I'm sure you must be trying to help him with recovery on that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, really sad news, you lost your father recently, right?
Not recently. It's been 9 years, but he's
9
been
years.
my best friend. Yes.
Okay. Somehow I had gotten in my mind that it was recent, but this is recent with your mother being alone. I guess she has the beginning stages of Parkinson's?
Correct, sir.
Oh, you've got so much to deal with. And then on top of it, somebody made the decision to move Mom in.
Yes.
I mean, I know she's going to need a lot of care, and you're probably a very good person for that, but you've got a family to take care of. You got kids to grow up. You got a husband who's got health issues. I mean, how can you possibly find the time?
You make the time.
You make the time. I kind of had a feeling you were going to say that. There's always time if it's something that has to be done and if it's someone you love.
Absolutely.
Okay, so please stop me if I'm saying the wrong thing here. My understanding is that you have a couple of boys that gave up their bedrooms so that your mom could move into your house.
Yes, actually, my 2 boys gave up their bedroom so that my mom could have it.
I hear you laughing. Are the kids around you right now?
Yes, my son, who's a senior this year, he's laughing. Yeah,
he's kind of giving you a hard time because you're talking on the radio. I get it. Okay. So anyway, Mom's going to move in, but obviously Mom's needs are going to grow as her disease progresses.
Correct, sir. Yes.
So you had the opportunity when you won this prize from SandStar Remodeling and Renovation to do anything you wanted with your bathroom, make it as beautiful, as opulent as you want to, and you've decided to actually redo Mom's bathroom.
Correct, sir.
This is, I mean, I get goosebumps from telling the story, and I've told it to a lot of people before sharing it with the audience even. It's amazing. And obviously, she's going to need things like grab bars and accessibility things to help her through, right?
Correct, sir, because she'll be wheelchair bound as the Parkinson's disease, progresses.
I mean, you really could have had a wonderful bathroom oasis all for yourself, and you selflessly have given it up for Mom.
Well, because she's my mom.
I understand. And when I think about it from that perspective, I know I would do the exact same thing. I think most people would. So, onwards to the next step. Have you had any conversations with the SandStar Remodeling crew?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
unfortunately, I actually deleted the poor man's voicemail 3 times because I thought they had the wrong Lisa.
They must not be calling for me. I never win anything.
That's exactly what I said.
Okay, so finally you connected. And their team, have they been in to do an assessment of your current bathroom yet?
They're actually coming today, sir, at 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock, okay. So they'll take a look at what you've got, and then you can start talking about ideas moving forward. I got to tell you, have you ever worked with them before?
No, sir.
They are wonderful. With even a tiny little space that needs to be remodeled or an entire home makeover. They're very creative. They've got access to things that nobody else can seem to find. So let your imagination run away with you. What I'm imagining is that you not only want it to be safe and functional for Mom, but you probably want it to be pretty and nice, right?
Oh, yes.
Well, they are the team for it. Absolutely, no question. They also promised me that they sent some before and after pictures so we could put those up on our website. Are you okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't go do any cleaning or sprucing up. If there's a little mildew around the edge of the tub or something like that, you leave that right where it is, okay?
Remember, I have 5 kids.
Exactly. Tub cleaning is not high on the list of priorities. I get that. Thank you so much again for your service to our community. Are you back at work yet?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow.
I went back on Monday and Tuesday, and then I happened to have today off.
Were you forced to take 14 days off to recover?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. But you're feeling okay now, right?
I feel wonderful, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Well, thank you for spending some time. I know you've got your hands very full. Congratulations. What I'd like to do is, if it's okay with you, when they're all done, I want to talk to you about the end results and see how you like it.
I would love that, please.
Okay. Lisa, thanks again, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. And whoever nominated me, thank you, because that's just amazing that you would think of somebody else.
I don't even know myself, but they obviously are somebody that thinks very highly of you. And I do, too. We all do after hearing this conversation with you. Thanks again.
Thank you, sir. You have a wonderful day.
You take care now. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
There's more Matthews in the Morning on the way. And thank you for making this the longest running morning show in Florida on KIX Country 92.9.